So, good morning everyone and welcome to the stream. Okay, audio is perfect. So, guys, I'll be watching all your chats after some time. Okay, uh, right now, as I can see on the price, is that we have cleared the previous day high. Okay, and uh, we then came below inside this new day opening gap of yesterday, but we are again getting some strength and power from this new day opening gap high. Okay, we have SMT at lows, this kind of SMT, but I'm just not interested to go long. Okay, even if it goes above this buy side, I'll just let it go. I'm not interested to go long. Okay, this is today's bias, and why I'm saying that, because market is consolidating. Okay, this new day opening gap sell side delivery is left. We have some inefficiencies. Okay, even if this fair value gap uh, can be remained open or unfilled as a breakaway gap, I still want to see at least a move to new day opening gap low. Okay, if it starts to rally higher, okay, I will not be the participant of that move. Okay, and if you go on 1 hour chart, then yes, definitely we are trying to take support from this 1 hour inversion here. Let me show you. This is the 1 hour inversion fair value gap here, and we yesterday also we took the support of it. Yeah, today also we took the support, clearing some sell side liquidity of yesterday, but still I'll be just interested to short the market and not go long. Okay, this is my today's plan. What is this yellow box? If you see now, after yesterday, this was the inefficient area. Okay, this was a new week opening gap inefficient area. Market tapped into it, came below to this inversion, and then from this inversion it is again taking support. So let's see how it goes. Okay, okay, we do not have any SMT at lows. I'm following the spot chart and not futures chart, because we have huge gaps here and there. So I'll be just interested to use the spot chart for a better price action. So let's see. Right now it is again trying to take the first candle's high. Okay, and if you will mark the first fair gap after the opening bell, then it will be this one. Why is it important? Okay, the first fair gap that is being created after the opening bell, that is very important. Okay, as you see here, market came below, closed below, again started to take the support after clearing this liquidity, and then it was reclaimed here. Okay, then it was reclaimed here, and market is now going in upside direction. Okay, if you wanted to go long, okay, you can, but I just don't want to be a participant of that move. This is your breaker block. This is your institutional order flow entry drill here. Okay, this candle just by a tick taps into this volume balance and boom. But yeah, I don't want to be a participant of that move. I can clearly see that if it rallies higher, -2 is easily achieved here. Okay, and most probably we will fill this gap. Okay, this gap, this huge gap, which is the magnet, will be filled, and we will see the price in going into this CB, 1 hour CB. I always mark old inefficiencies and liquidities areas, okay, because they are very important. As you see, we can refine that 1 hour CB into 15-minute CB, and this is the my draw on liquidity if it rallies higher. Although I don't want to be a participant of the move, okay. If I proved wrong here, then like I want to short the market, but if it rallies higher, then I just let it go, okay, because I want to short the market. For me, market is in huge premium uh, area, okay. I don't want to be a participant of the longs in premium, okay. It's enough, guys. It's enough. So why this up move? If we go and try to understand this up move, then what do you have here? Inside the new day opening app, you have this relatively equal lows, which yesterday also I shared that why the fuck market didn't take this sell side right here. It rallies higher from this new day opening gap high and not taking this sell side liquidity, then it went some sideways and upside. Okay, today market opened, attacked this relatively equal lows, and then rallies higher. Okay, what I want to see right now is market should take this sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity. Okay, and trade to at least new day opening gap C or low of the new day opening gap. This is my expectation. I don't know if it will happen or not, but this is my expectation. We are again taking the buy side liquidity of previous day high and this inefficient area. Let's see. We will have a 10.5 to 10.25 macro. Okay, so now I can read the chats. So hello, good morning Shoaib, good morning Monk, hello Anupam. Opening range first FPG flipped. Yes, only will take previous day high. Hmm. Okay, yeah, there can be some differences on VIX too. Okay, I don't know if on TradingView market has taken the previous day high or not by first candle. Okay, I don't know. Let's see the futures chart. Okay, it will be clear. Okay, so on futures chart, market didn't uh, attack the previous day high at the first candle. It attacked right now here. Okay, okay, but as you see, there are huge gaps in futures chart nowadays. Like in each candle you see volume balances, okay, and very small candles, like lack of volume basically. So that's why I'm just not liking the using this chart. Although price action is always better on futures chart, like you can mm, get the precision of entries. But yeah, I will look into this chart alternatively. Okay, I think I should make a layout for it. Okay, and we can directly come here. Nifty has not taken the previous day high. That's a previous day high SMT. Okay, that's previous day high SMT here. And I want to see price trading into this 15-minute entry parallel gap, basically ERL to IRL here. Okay, yeah, that's my expectation, that market will trade for this parallel gap. Okay, because the previous day high is swept here, and on Nifty we have this previous day high SMT also. So let's see how it goes. For entry, you can use this parallel gap when it will be inverged. You can use that, or you can also use this as breaker block. Let's just watch this chart for now. Okay, so this is an important parallel gap, as it can throw prices in upside also, but if it breaks, that will be our inversion. Okay, so let's see if it has the power or not. As I can see here that this is the up close candle. Okay, if market rejects it, that's your order block. Is it a order block to enter in the market? No, that's not. This is the sign that market is in a bearish order flow. If it gets rejection, if it gets filled, that is the sign that you are wrong here. Okay, and like this is a huge gap. Okay, huge gap. Let's just mark the quadrants of it, opening to closing. Okay, price is inside this upper quadrant area. This is the 50% area. Price is consolidating here, and above it we had the sell side buy side liquidity. It got swept. Let's see now. If price closes below this inversion, trades into this inversion, we will have this. You see this quadrant, see this level here. Okay, let me tell you the level. On Bank Nifty August futures chart, 51056, 51056. It closes below, can trade again to this level 51056, and it should just fall. Okay, who are sitting in longs here? People who people who saw the support here, people who saw the support here, retail also saw the support here. Okay, and few people also shorted from this breakout. That's a support zone. People shorted at the breakout here. They literally market fucked them with this up move. Then again it came below, took the liquidity, went higher, take out all the buy side liquidity. Now it's time for the real move. Okay, so this is how I'm planning right now. Okay, as you see, this order block rejected the price here. So if this closes below, again trades to this inversion failure gap, that is my entry. Okay, I will look for this candle to, like, if it candle just taps into it. Okay, this is not how I want to see here. Okay, if it starts to reject, comes below the inversion, like the body should come below, yes, like that, and I can enter at last, like 10 to 15 seconds of the closing of this candle. Okay, this is not how an inversion should uh, deliver the price. Okay, if this is a good inversion for now, then you will not see any bodies closing inside this inversion. So wait for now. Okay, but why you have to wait? Because maybe price will do little consolidation, then again close below the inversion and move. Okay, it can directly move also, but this is not how my A plus setup looks like. So I'll wait here. I want to see how market will react to this quadrant area. Okay, if it falls just from here, don't worry, I have this breaker block. Like, see how messy the price action here is. Like, very messy. We have this 5 minute BC also here, and price has not yet closed below the BC. So IRL to ERL for bullish people, but I want to short the market, so this is just of no use to me. All the buy side liquidity, all the trend line people who went long here, market will not give them easy money. Okay, see this quadrant and how price is reacting from this quadrant. See the reaction. I will also mark this CB. Okay, that's a CB here. It has formed from this order block, so this is a very important CB. So yes, 75 minutes. You can also use 75 minutes, but I don't think in high time frame you have any differences. Okay, like you can use any high time frame candle and you will get uh, your 1 minute trades. Okay, so you can choose any. It depends upon you what you want to trade. August month only scalping. Yes, bro. Why 0.5 to 25 is macro? Because of 1 hour. Okay, because of 1 hour, 1 hour power of 3, because uh, uh, we take the macro from last 10 minutes of closing, and uh, after 1 hour opening, the beginning 10 minutes is your macro. So when does the market opens? Market open at around 9:15, and the next candle opens at around 10:15. So just see the uh, timing of macro. It's easy. You see here how this failure gap is very important and throw the prices away, and this upper this 50% level of this new week opening gap. See this reaction. See this rejection from here. Am I have I entered here? No. I wanted a trade from this inversion failure gap. This is not the reaction I wanted to see here, so I didn't enter. It's okay. No issues at all. No issues at all with this. Okay. Uh, my eyes directly now goes for, you see this two green candles. This is your, this was your bullish breaker. Now this is an inversion breaker for me. This is an inversion breaker for me. What I can do is, if I want to enter, I want to enter from the CB, protect this inversion failure gap, and short till, you see this new day opening gap low, I can short till here. This is like 150 points on futures chart, 45 points risk. This is 1:5 risk reward trade. Sorry, 1:3 risk reward trade. This is where you have already entered in the market. Okay, you have entered here. It can move against you a little bit because we have this volume balance, as you see, and on 3-minute chart we have this BC also, so it can move in your direction, but it's totally okay for me. Okay, because I have protected this inversion failure gap here. If I get a loss, it's a loss. What is this two green candles? That's your breaker, inversion breaker. Okay, so I am bearish because we are in very premium range of the market. Okay, we have taken the previous day high with SMT. So yeah, that's why I want to short the market. Okay, like on a high time frame, very high time frame, I'm bullish. But right now for today, for this session, I am not bullish. Okay, I want to short the market. If I proved wrong here, that's no issues to me. Okay, but I want to short the market. I think huge boxes are here. I'm gonna remove this inversion failure gap as we have already protected this high. So I'm removing that. I don't want to see candles closing, okay, above this inversion breaker. They can do the damage with wicks, but they should not close above it. If it starts to closing, that's the point, you know, that maybe market have different plans. Okay, market has different plans. You see this 4 up close candles. That's your order block. That is your order block. So as if I mark the uh, standard deviations, okay, then just see it here. This is -1 to -1.5 silver bullet zone. So a retracement is acceptable. Then we will attack the sunset. So it retraced to this CB. Now it should fall. Okay. See how are we in premium? Okay, let me tell you. Uh, Basically, if you mark the dealing range on 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, you will see that we are taking external range liquidities from last few days. Okay, we're just moving in upside and taking all the highs, making the highs, taking the highs, making the highs, taking the highs. It without the support of any internal range liquidity. Okay, I'll show that after the trade. Okay, I'll show that after the trade. So if you can also see that on your chart, bro, it's very easy. Okay, so uh, we are just moving in upside, upside, upside. No support from any internal range liquidity. We are not sweeping the internal range liquidities, and we have some huge low resistance liquidity runs. Okay, on downside. So this is why I want to short. And one more thing is this new day opening gap. You see this two black lines. You see this black lines. This black line. Oh, sorry. This is a wrong black line. Let me show. Let me mark it again. Oh, sorry. That's the quadrant. Okay, sorry, sorry. That's the quadrant we were using. Okay. But if you mark this new day opening gap, then the sell side delivery of this new day opening gap is still pending. This new day opening gap is of Thursday, yesterday. So the new day opening gap sell side is still left. So market can try to deliver this its sell side delivery today itself. If it proves me wrong, then I'm just wrong. I can't do anything with it. Okay, I have a plan. Okay, I'm trading that plan, and that's it. That's the only thing I can do. Except that I don't have anything on my hands. Okay, why we are consolidating here? If you go on 3-minute chart, you will see there's this BC here, there's this inversion here, inversion failure gap is here. Market is trying to show people that it wants to go higher. Market is trying to show that maybe if I'm wrong, then it will go. But I am in a short trade. Why the fuck I want to see any upside move? I want to see all bullish PD array getting failed. I want to see that happening. The problem here is market is not again trying to close below this inversion breaker. You see market closed below it, took the support, closed below it, took the support, closed below it, trying to take the support. I want to see candle closing and starts to move in downside. I don't want to see green candles here. Okay, I want to see down close candles here. If green candles starts to form like here, I can be proved wrong, but I have no issues with that. Okay, I have no issues with that. It can even trade for this order block and reject from here. I will be happy to see that happening. Okay, because if the move comes from here of upside, you see this ferrule gap here. Let me mark it with darker color. See this red box here, that will be a breakaway gap. And if you are bullish, okay, I'm not bullish, but if you are bullish, if you have any bias, don't change your bias because I am saying something. If you are bullish, please be bullish. And if this remains unfilled, just understand one thing, that market will not even take this high. Market will take this upper quadrant, this upper quadrant. All quadrants can be filled only today by just seeing this parallel gap remain unfilled. Okay, if it starts to rally higher, if it breaks this short term high, there's a market structure shift here. After breaking this short term high, you can plan the long trade. If you are bullish, you can target this quadrant, both the quadrants today itself. But I am not bullish. I want to see market taking this sell side liquidity. Okay. ब्रो मैं इंड्यूसमेंट से एंट्री लेता हूँ. व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन इट? व्हाट लाइक इंड्यूसमेंट, जैसे लिक्विडिटी स्वीप्स हो गए, तुम यही बोलना चाह रहे हो ना, जो भी शॉर्ट टर्म हाई स्वीप होता है एंड यू एंटर आफ्टर दैट स्वीप. ओके, लेट मी मार्क हियर. ये स्वीप हुआ और तुम फिर अपसाइड का प्लान करते हो ना. लाइक ये बेसिक वही है कि सेल साइड पर्ज होता है एंड तुम्हारा यहाँ पे कोई ऑर्डर ब्लॉक होगा, फेवरल गैप होगा एंड तुम वहाँ से एंट्री लेते हो. दैट्स करेक्ट, दैट्स करेक्ट. बट जस्ट डोंट एंटर बिकॉज यू लाइक पैटर्न की तरह इस पे एंटर मत करो. कोई हाई टाइम फ्रेम का लॉजिक लगाओ कि वो उस इंड्यूसमेंट से ही क्यों जाना चाहिए. समझ रहे हो ना? अगर तुम्हें कुछ लॉजिक मिलता है लाइक इन हाई टाइम फ्रेम, इफ यू सी एनी लॉजिक फॉर दैट इंड्यूसमेंट टू वर्क, then yeah, please enter at the market. Also guys, please like the stream. Okay, we have 20 plus watching and only 8 likes. I want to see at least 20 20 likes or 15 likes. Press that like button. We also have today, okay, on futures chart, if we see, we also have a small new day opening gap of today. Small new day opening gap. Like this. We went above it, came below it. It can again tap into the new day opening gap. I'm removing it because I already have a lot of lines here. Okay. So if you want to see, then you can see it by here. Okay. This box is a new day opening gap. Basically the order block. Okay. We have that order block. So this order block line is the new day opening gap low line. Okay. So market can tap into it and it should then reject from here. If it doesn't reject, then it will consolidate, make some more liquidity, and then maybe it will deliver in downside the sell side liquidity. That's possible. So we are trading to this order block. And what is Nifty doing? We have some SMTs at lows, okay, but and also uh, Nifty is showing some strength, although it was weak. Okay, it was weak, but it has a bullish SMT. So let's see now here. Okay, whatever, if I'm wrong, I'll be proved wrong with speed here. If I'm right, I'll be proved right with speed, because new day opening gap, this order block is also the new day opening gap low. This four up close candles consecutive, we have this CB here, a lot of things are here with me also. And against me, okay, if I see what do I have against me is still this see, this is the inversion breaker. We closed below it, but we have not yet showed any strength in downside. So maybe this breaker can be reclaimed and market will try to take the support. That's possible, but I'll be sticking with my plan that I want to short the market. I have this all things with me, and let's just watch. As you see, Nifty is showing a lot of strength. This is the point when you know, like, Nifty was weak, but now it is showing strength. Nifty has that what do we say, higher low SMT. Okay, although it was weak, so it should have this type of structure on Nifty because it was weak na. but but when the weak pair, like if you see this is a pair, so if the weak one is getting stronger, that is the reversal point. Okay, that is the reversal point. Like, you want to see the weak one remain weak. If weak, okay, if the weak or strong one remain, strong one gets weak, that's probably reversal for bearish. And when the weak one gets stronger, that's the reversal. I got proved wrong here. Okay, I got proved wrong here. Now I don't want to enter or do anything with the market. I just want to see how market is like going on. Okay, I still don't want to mark any bullish PDRA, because if I start to mark bullish PDRA, what my mind will think is uh, like, it will get confused. Okay, because my all the plans, whatever I have planned, is for shorts. If I start to mark anything bullish in this price leg here or in this price action, I'll be proved a gambler in my mind. Okay, because I'm going against my plan. Okay, so I don't want to mark anything, any bullish thing here. Okay, because I still have this quadrant, I still have this, I can again re-enter if I see any good setup. Definitely I can re-enter. So let's see. I'm removing this inversion breaker here. I don't want that now. So Nifty has taken this relatively equal highs. Okay, Nifty has taken that. Bank Nifty still have again one SMT like this, and rejecting again from that quadrant 50% of new week opening gap. Should I go short here? No, no, I cannot go short here. I cannot. I have to wait again. If I want to short the market, I have to wait for my setup. For example, if this bullish order block gets failed, I can enter the short. If this this BC gets failed, I can short there, but right at this point I cannot short. Bro, trading based on new day opening gap, new week opening gap alone can be difficult. You need to have high time frame PD arrays along with new day opening gap and new week opening gap. Okay. For example, I have marked this quadrant levels as you see here. This black line is a quadrant of new week opening gap. See, this is the new week opening gap. Monday, Friday closing, Monday opening. This is not supply or demand. Okay, this can be a lot of times traded, and you a lot of setups can be framed out of it. Okay, so just just trade in the way you trade. Okay, just trade with whatever system or setup you have, but okay, but just draw that new day opening up on your chart and see the price along with your PDRs. See how price again coming to this new day opening gap, new week opening gap. Again it is trying to show some support or resistance from that level. Okay, just mark and observe that, because there is no uh, perfect guideline to trade new day opening gap. Okay, you have to observe that along with your PDRs. That is how you know how to trade new day opening gap or new week opening gap. The only common thing which every trader can have with this new day opening gaps are that this can become a good drawn liquidity when you are far away from it. Let me show you the example. Market was trading below this new week opening gap. It took this low. When it took the low, the ERL is taken. What you can do is target the IRL. What will be your IRL? The strongest internal range liquidity will be the new week opening gap. When market is inside the new week opening gap and it is sweeping some liquidity, which is basically IRL, and inside the IRL you are taking out some liquidities, where the market will try to reach for is the ERL, IRL to ERL. See, ICT told in a stream that new week opening gap and new day opening gap are uh, more powerful drawn liquidity than fair value gaps. So example, you have this new week opening gap and above that you have a fair value gap like that here. Okay, then what you don't have to target that. If you are going long here, target this new week opening gap, exit your positions at this new week opening gap. Don't try to target this one. Only target this one when this the work of this new week opening gap, the new week opening gap is fully filled. After filling this new week opening gap, this is still open, but market came below. Market when came below, take out some liquidity, then your bias is bullish, then go long and target this one. Till this new week opening gap is not yet filled, you don't have to target that one. You just have to target the quadrants of this new week opening gap if you are bullish. That's it. That's the main thing or main characteristic of this new day opening gaps, and how you have to use them. Like for entries, they are very difficult. Okay, it is very difficult to enter from this new week opening apps and all. You need some other PDRs along with that. Okay, yes, so let me show you the dealing range. So this previous day high swept here. The easiest dealing range will be this one. What is this dealing range? If you go into your chart, this is your weekly range here. Okay, I'm removing this new week opening app, this line. Let me explain it. So this is the Monday opening price. We are above the weekly open. We are above the weekly open. We have some internal range liquidity. we are sweeping some external rain liquidity here, and when you are sweeping, or we are attacking the buy side liquidity in a premium market, why the fuck I will go long here? That's the only issue I have uh, with bullish bias. Okay, because if I have to go long, I will try to go long from discount area, not in premium area. This is how I am watching my dealing range here. This full weekly range, that's the weekly range. Also, if we go on to the previous week range, this is Monday high, Monday low, Monday high swept. We are trading above the Monday high. We are in huge premium market. It definitely needs a retracement. This is what I'm expecting. This is why I wanted to short the market. With my entry, I proved wrong, but I'm still not changing my plan. If it will rally higher, I'll just let it go. I don't care. I don't care. But if it starts to reject and give me another setup for short, I will take that short because my plan remains same. What will be my drawn liquidity? You see this red box, that's my drawn liquidity. You see this new day opening gap, sell side delivery left, that is my drawn liquidity. As simple as that. I hope you got it. We are still okay trading inside this inversion. Let's see if we close above or not. Nifty is getting some strength. Okay, Nifty is getting some strength. Maybe now it will also take the previous day high and both the market will be sync, and then maybe it will rally higher. That's possible. But I don't care. Okay, I don't care if it starts to move in upside. I will just see all this up move as just the Judah swing of a high time frame. That's the Judah swing. Maybe on monthly that will be the Judahs. Maybe on quarterly that will be the Judahs. All this up move. I don't care. Like I mostly try to trade inside the macro. Okay, I try to trade inside the macro. I try to trade the setup which has formed inside the macro. Okay, that is what I love. Like the best macros are 11.5 to 11.25, 12.5 to 12.25, 2.5 to 2.25. These are the three best macros according to what I've seen in the price. uh, Also, if I see, okay, yes, um, weekly market maker buy model, I see that. But if you see, let me show you one thing. That's the weekly open here, this candle, and mark the opening and this down manipulation. This is the silver bullet zone. We are still trading inside the silver bullet. This is not the thing I want to see in the price, because if we are in this silver bullet zone, I hope I'm not marking any wrong. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Weekly open, and if we are inside the silver bullet zone, then after this retracement, why the fuck we are again consolidating here? This is the huge fault I'm watching here. Okay, you don't need to consolidate here. You are consolidating here. That means there is something wrong. Okay, there is something wrong. And if I mark from this high to this low, then the -1 is still left. The -1 is still left. What does it mean? So from this minus 0.5 level, we again came to the low of the week. Again we took the support from here, and we are not trying to reach for this -1 standard deviation. The move will be, there will be no move, there will be a rally. Okay, and that rally will throw the price to -1, -1.5, even around this levels, this CB and this high of this new week opening gap. And I don't care if it happens today. If it happens today, I will be not be the participant of it. If it happens on next week, that is a different case. That is a different case, because uh, on Monday I will have Friday's price action to analyze the market. Right now I don't know how market will print uh, the Friday closing. I don't know. Okay, I don't know that. I don't come live while trading Nasdaq, because at that time I have like I'm busy in that time in evening, basically after 7 p.m. Indian market, Indian time zone. I get busy. Like I have few of my friends on my home. Okay, and so that's why I cannot come live. One more thing, okay, one more thing I would like to add is that go onto your chart and see what price does after morning volatility. It consolidates, moves slowly in a direction, that is when I close my charts. Okay, that is when I close my charts and I don't care about the market. Okay, because nowadays trading Indian markets is only good till 11 a.m. Okay, this is the opening. This is 11. I don't know if there is a significant there is any significant importance of this time or not, but yeah, it is what it is. Like, for if anyone would have longed from in this price leg, then yeah, you had this breaker entry here. This is your breaker block, and this is the buying in discount of the breaker inside this fairly gap, and you can target the previous day high. This is your entry. This was the 3 minute last inversion. Okay, I mean last fairly gap. I mean the first fairly gap, which take out this liquidity here on 3 minute chart. See this 3 minute chart. This is the fairly gap, which took out this liquidity or made the stop hunt. So this is your important inversion if you are bullish. This is the, according to 2024 mentorship, this is Caleb's model. So you would have longed here on 3 minute chart. Okay, on 3 minute chart, this is the entry, and you can target this external drain liquidity if you are bullish. Okay, I was not bullish. I'm still not bullish. Okay, I'm still not bullish. I don't know, but if I am wrong or not, I proved wrong. So yeah, I am wrong, but I still don't want to short the market. What is this candle? See the opening and closing and opening. This is the volume balance. So Nifty also took the previous day high. Now if we get SMT, then yeah, we can see any downside move. Okay, but I think I'll be closing the stream now. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm already done here. If it moves, it moves. If it doesn't move, if it doesn't move. Okay, maybe I'll try to come live after 12. Okay, 12:30. After 12:30, we will see the H4PO3 if we can. Okay, so guys, see you soon at after 12:30. Okay, after 12, I'll inform on Telegram. Okay, I'll be informing on Telegram. So I'm just ending the stream here, and goodbye guys. Happy